Hello students, this is a Maths Worksheet 22. This is a revision worksheet of chapter number 3, Playing with Numbers. Dear students, you will also follow COVID appropriate behavior at your home. So you wear mask, follow physical distancing and maintain hand hygiene. Now students, here first we will discuss factors and multiples. What are the factors? The numbers which completely divide the given number such that the remainder is 0. A number can have finite number of factors. For example, factors of the number 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 16 and 12. So these are the factors of 12 here. Now multiples. What are the multiples? The numbers obtained by multiplying the given number by a natural number. A number can have infinite number of multiples. For example, here we write the multiples of 6 here. So here we multiply 6 by 2, 6 2s are 12, then 6 by 3, 6 3s are 18 and 6 4s are 24. And with same as 6 5s are 30, 6 6 are 36 and so on. Now here we solve some questions related to factors and multiples. Now students, here I solve some questions related to find the factors of the following numbers, right? So the question is, write all the factors of each of the following. Question is, write all the factors of each of the following. Okay, now here we take first part of this question and the number is 60, right? So here you all know that here we check find the two numbers which multiply with each other and start from 2 and give product as a 60, right? So here we start from 1. So 1 multiplied by 60, here we get 60 as a product. Now 2, if we multiply 2 and 30, so here we get 60, right? Next 3, yes, 3 multiplied by 20, here we get 60. Now 4, 15 4s are 60, right? Next 5, 12 5s are 60, and now any other 6, 6 10s are 60. Now there is no other factor of 60 here, because if you write again these factors, so here we repeat these factors again and again here. 12 multiplied by 50, 15 multiplied by 4, 20 multiplied by 3, 30 multiplied by 2 and 16 multiplied by 1. So here we not repeat these all factors again and again here, and now we write the factors of 60 here. So here we get factors of 60 is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6 10 12 15 20 30 and 60, right? 10 12 15 20 30 and 60, right? So these are the factors of 60 here. Okay, now we take another example related to find the factors of the following numbers, and here we take one example here like 35, right? So here first start from 1, so here 1 multiply by 35, here we get 35 here. Now next 3s are here, if we multiply 2 by any other number, so here we not get 35 as a product with 3. No, if we multiply a number, any number with 3, we not get 35 as a product, not in a 4 but in a 5. 5 7s are 35, right? So here not in a 6 but 7, so here we again repeat these two factors again and again here. So here we write 7 multiply by 5, 7 5s are 35, then 35 1s are 35. So here we not repeat these factors again and again here. So here we write factors of 35 is equal to 1, 5, 7 and 35. Now here we solve another question related to multiples. Here we find next 4, 5 or 6 multiples of given numbers, right? So the question is find next 5 multiples of the following numbers. Okay, so here we take first part of this question. So here we first take a small number here like 12. Okay, so here we find the next 5 multiples of 12, and you all know that if you find the multiples, multiply 12 by natural numbers. Yes, right? So here start from 1, so 12 1s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 12 3s are 36, 12 4s are 48 and 12 5s are 60. Because here we find one more multiple here, because 12 is also given there. So here 12 6s are 72, right? So these are the next 5 multiples of 12: 24, 36, 48, 60 and 72. Now we take another example here. Okay, 25, right? Here we find the next 5 multiples of 25 here. So 25 multiply by 1, 25 1s are 25, 25 2s are 50, 25 3s are 75, 25 4s are 100, 25 5s are 125 and 25 6s are 150, right? So these are the next 5 multiples of 25 here. Friends, here I take some questions related to here. Find the common factors. Find the common factors
of 12 and 24. Now here first we find the factors of 12, right? So factors of 12 are, and start from 1, 12, then what number we multiply with 2 and we get product as 12 here. 2 6 are 12, right? Then 3 4s are 12, right? Then 4 3s are 12. So here we not repeat the factors again and again here. So here we write, because if we write 4 3s are 12 again here, 6 2s are 12 again here, and 12 1s are 12. So here we write the factors of 12 are 1 2 3 4 6 12, right? Now we find the factors of 24 here. Okay, 24, start from 1 multiply by 24. So here we get 24 here. Now next 2 multiply by 12 2s are 24. Next 3 8s are 24. Now 4 6 are 24. Now next 24 not come in a table of 5 but in a 6. So here we not repeat the factors again and again here. So here 6 4s are 24, 8 3s are 24, 12 2s are 24, 24 1s are 24. So here we write the factors of 24 are 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 6 8 12 24, 6 8 12 24. Now we comparize these two factors here, these factors here, factors of 12 and factors of 24 here. So there is 1 is here, 2 2 3 3 4 4 6 6 12 12. In 12 there is not a 8 and 4 not mentioned over there. So here we write common factors of 12 and 24 is equal to 1 2 3 4 6 12. 1 2 3 4 6 and 12. These are the common factors of 12 here, 12 and 24 here, right? Related to find the common multiples of the given numbers here. Okay, so the question is find the common multiples of the given number okay. So the numbers are 6 and 8. Okay, so here we find the common multiples of the given numbers 6 and 8 here. So what we do here first we find the multiples of 6 and after that we write the multiples of 8 here. First we write the multiples of 6 here. So write multiples of 6. So 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 36, 6 7s are 42, 6 8s are 48, 6 9s are 54, and 6 10s are 60, right? Now here we find 3 common factors here. So here we write more factors of 6 here. 6 multiplied by 11, 66, 6 multiplied by 12, and you all know that 12 6 are 72, right? Now we write multiples of 8 here. Okay, so now 8 multiplied by 1, 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40, 8 6s are 48, 8 7s are 56, 8 8s are 64, 8 9s are 72, and 8 10s are 80. Okay, now here we find the common multiples here. Now here we write common multiples of 6 and 8. Okay, now here we compare these multiples here. So here 6, here 8, 12, 12 is not here, 18, 18 is not here, 24, yes 24. So the first multiple is 24 here. Now next 30, 30 is not here, 36, 36 is not here, 42, 42 is not here, 48, yes 48 is here. So here we write 48. Now next 54, 54 is not here, 60, 60 is not here, 66, 66 now is here. Now 72, yes 72 is here. So here we write 72. Now here I take another example related to factors, and the question is a number is divisible by 12 a number is divisible by 12 by which other numbers will that number be always divisible, be always divisible. Okay, so the next question is related to factors, a number is divisible by 12. By which other numbers will that number be always divisible? Okay, so here we use factors. The number will be divisible by all the factors of 12, right? So here we find the factors of 12 here. So here we write factors of 12. Okay, so now we find the factors of 12 here. 1 multiplied by 12. Okay, now 2 6 are 12, 3 4s are 12. Okay, and now then again this thing repeat again and again here. Now because after 4 5 12 is not come in the table of 5 here. Okay, and only 6 to the 12, so here we not repeat the factors of 12 again and again here. So here we write 1 comma 2 comma 3, 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 6 comma 12 comma 4 comma 6 comma 12. Hence, so here we write hence the number is divisible by 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 and 6. Okay, so by these all 5 numbers the number is divisible. So now here we take some examples related to prime factorization. Okay, so here the question is, determine the prime factorization of 9000. Okay, so how we find the prime factorization of a number? So here we divide this number into 2 equal parts and we use division method here, right? So here 9000 is divisible by 2. 2 4s are 8 and 2 5s are 10, right? Now next again divide by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4 and 2 5s are 10. Then again divide by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4 and 2 5s are 10. Now this number 1125 is divisible by 3. So here we divide this number by 3. 3 3s are 9, right? 3 3s are 9, there is 2 is left here, and 3 7s are 21 and 3 5s are 15. Now this number again divisible by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6 and 3 5s are 15. Okay, now 125 is not divisible by 3. Let me take the next number. So 125 is not divisible by 4. So here we take 5. 5 2s are 10 and 5 5s are 25. Now again 25 divide by 5 here. 5 5s are 25. Then 5 1s are 5. right? So here we see these are the factors of 9000. Okay, prime factors of 9000. These are the prime factors of 9000. So here we write therefore prime factors of 9000 equal to 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 3 times, right? Then 3 multiply by 3 3 multiply by 3, then 5 multiply by 5 multiply by 5, total 3 times. 5 multiply by 5 multiply by 5.
Now students, here we will discuss divisibility rules, and here we use trick. So what is the rule of 2 here? If the last digit is 0, 2, 4 or divisible by 2, so the whole number divisible by 2. Okay, now 3. The rule of 3 say that if the sum of digits is divisible by 3, so the whole number divisible by 3. Now divisibility rule of 4. Here the trick is last 2 digits divisible by 4. It means if the last 2 digits in a tens place and a unit place and form a number, if this number divisible by 4, so the whole number divisible by 4. Now 5. If the last digit is 0 or 5. Dear students, if the last digit divisible by 0 or 5, so we say that the whole number divisible by 5. Now divisibility rule of 6. Divisibility rule of 6 says that if the number is divisible by 2 and divisible by 3, the both number, so here we say that the given number is divisible by 6, right? Now 8. If the last 3 digits divisible by 8, it means digits in a 100 place, tens place and a ones place and form a number. If this number divisible by 8, so the whole number divisible by 8. Now 9. Divisibility rule of 9 say that if the sum of digits in a number is divisible by 9, so the whole number divisible by 9. Now 10. Divisibility rule of 10. Divisibility rule of 10 say that if the last digit is 0 or unit digit is 0, so we say that the whole number divisible by 10. Now here we solve question related to divisibility rules and check divisibility.
So now here we take another examples related to divisibility rules. Test divisibility of given number by 2, 4. So here we take one example here. Test divisibility of given number by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9 and 10 and 11, right? 4068 39. Okay, 4,06,839. Now we start from 2. If this number divisible by 2, so here we write yes, and if not divisible by 2, so here we write no. Okay, so What is the divisibility rule of 2? The divisibility rule of 2 say that if the last digit or a unit digit is divisible by 2, so the whole number divisible by 2. So here is 9 in a unit place, and 9 is not divisible by 2. So here we write no, this number not divisible by 2. Okay, no, the given number is not divisible by 2. Now 3. Divisibility rule of 3. Divisibility rule of 3 say that if the sum of these all digits, if the sum of these all digits is divisible by 3, so the whole number 4,06,839 is divisible by 3. Now here we add these all digits, 4 plus 0 plus 6 plus 8 plus 3 plus 9, right? 4 plus 6 10, 10 plus 8 18, 18 plus 3 21, and 21 plus 9 30. And you all know that 30 is divisible by 3. So here we say that yes, the given number 4,06,839 is divisible by 3. Now here we check divisibility by 4. So the divisibility rule of 4 say that if the last two digits mean digits in tens place and unit place and form a number, and if the number which formed by tens and unit place digit is divisible by 4, so the whole number divisible by 4. So here 39, and 39 is not divisible by 4. So if we say that no, the given number is not divisible by 4. Now by 5. So divisibility rule of 5 say that if the last unit digit is 0 or divisible by 5, okay, so the whole number divisible by 5. So 9 is not divisible by 5, so here we write no, the given number is not divisible by 5. Now 6. So here we already done and test divisibility of 2 and 3 already here. So here the number is not divisible by 2 and divisible by 3. So here if there is any condition, there is no. So here we say that the given number is not divisible by 6. Okay, now here we test divisibility by 8. And divisibility rule of 8 say that if last 3 digit in 100 place, digit in a tens place and in a ones place and form a number, if the number formed by these 3 digits is divisible by 8, so the whole number divisible by 8. So 839 is not divisible by 8. So we say that no, the given number is not divisible by 8. Okay, now here we test divisibility by 9. So rule of 9 say that, and it is similar to the rule of 3. Here we add these all digits, and if the sum of these all digits divisible by 9, okay, if the sum of these all digits divisible by 9, so if we say that yes, the given number is divisible by 9. So here we already add these all numbers here and we get 30, and 30 is not divisible by 9. So here we say that no, the given number is not divisible by 9. Now 10. Okay, now 10, rule of 10. The rule of 10 say that if the last unit digit is 0, so the whole number is divisible by 10. So here is 9 in its unit place. So here 9 is not divisible by 10. So we say that no, the given number is not divisible by 10. Now here we check divisibility by 11. And what is the rule of divisibility rule of 11 here? So the rule of 11 say that here we add digits in a even places and digits in a odd places, and after that we subtract and find the difference. If the difference is divisible by 11 and we get or 11 or divisible by 11 or 0, so here we say that the given number is divisible by 11, right? So here we check divisibility of 11 here. So here we write this number 406839, right? So here first we add digit in odd places, 9, 8, 0. So here we add 9 plus 8 plus 0, and 9 plus 8, 17, right? Now here we add digits in even places. So here 3, 6 and 4. Here we add 3 plus 6 plus 4. Now here we get 13 here. Okay, now we find difference. Right? So here we subtract 17 minus 13. Okay, 17 minus 13. When we subtract 17 minus 13, we get difference 4 here. And you all know that 4 is not divisible by 11. So here we say that no, the given number is not divisible by 11.
Now here we will discuss HCF and LCM. Greatest common factor or highest common factor, GCF or HCF. The greatest common factor that two or more numbers share. Like here, the greatest common factor is a factor which divide these both number at the same time. So this number is known as GCF or HCF. Now here the example, the GCF for 36 and 24 is 12 here. So 12 is the number which divide 36 and 24 at the same time. Now least common multiple or LCM. The smallest number that is a multiple of two numbers, known as least common multiple or LCM. Example, 12 is the LCM of 3 and 4. Because if you multiply these two numbers, we get 12 in the both number. 3 4s are 12 and 4 3s are 12. So 12 is the least common multiple of 3 and 4. Now here we will discuss HCF and LCM. Greatest common factor or highest common factor, GCF or HCF. The greatest common factor that two or more numbers share. Like here, the greatest common factor is a factor which divide these both number at the same time. So this number is known as GCF or HCF. Now here the example, the GCF for 36 and 24 is 12 here. So 12 is the number which divide 36 and 24 at the same time. Now least common multiple or LCM. The smallest number that is a multiple of two numbers, known as least common multiple or LCM. Example, 12 is the LCM of 3 and 4. Because if you multiply these two numbers, we get 12 in the both number. 3 4s are 12 and 4 3s are 12. So 12 is the least common multiple of 3 and 4.
Here I take another example related to HCF. Find the HCF of the following numbers, right? So here first I'll take number 18 and 48. Okay, so now here which one is greater number here? 48 and smaller 18. So here we take greater number as a dividend here and smaller number as divisor here. So here we write dividend equal to 48 and divisor equal to 18. Now here we divide 48 by 18. Okay, now we divide this number by 18. 18 2s are 36, right? Now we subtract these number here. 8 minus 6 2, 4 minus 3 1. Because we already done these type of questions in previous worksheet, so you all know that here we take this divisor as a dividend here, right, and this remainder as a divisor. Dear student, listen carefully. Here we take this divisor as a dividend here and this remainder as a divisor, right? So here we divide 18 by 12. So here 12 ones are 12. Okay, now 8 minus 2, 6 here, and 1 minus 1 0, right? Now here we take this divisor as a dividend here and this remainder as a divisor. 6 2s are 12 and 12 minus 12 0, and you all know that the last divisor is the HCF of given number. So we write last divisor equal to 6. So hence HCF of given number is 6, right? So by using this method, continuous division method, we find the HCF of any given number here.